I started my online business 3 years ago. My first online business. I was finishing my university degree on nutrition, a registered dietitian, and I was ready to start my business. But at university, I don't know if it happened to you guys, but you learn a lot of stuff, a lot of knowledge, but then you don't know how to market, right? It happened to somebody here. You learn a lot of stuff, and then it's how do I sell it? Why people is not buying my things, right? Right. And it's like, oh my God, I have all this knowledge. I know I can impact the world, my ideas, my courses, my programs, my events. I want to help the world. I know this is super valuable tool. How do I market that? Right? So I finished my degree and I did what a lot of people was doing in my circle. That's why we'll talk about this. I started, a one-on-one consult in Spain, in Barcelona, next to Barcelona, in Girona. And I was doing one-on-one, And I was happy because people were seeing results and I was like, wow, all this knowledge, people are seeing transformation, they are losing weight, they are getting healthy habits, better mindset, right? And I was happy, they were happy, everybody was happy, win-win situation. But I could only reach 25 people per month because my hours were like, done. And I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna do it? So I started like working harder. I followed some entrepreneurs and some influencers in social media that say hustle, right? Have you seen some of those that say hustle, hustle, hustle and grind and more hours? I'm working 16 hours a day, you should too. It's like, oh my God. And I started working 16 hours a day because that's what they said, right? And again, I had this mindset of hustle and grind. Hustle and grind. And I was working between 12 to 16 hours a day. And you know what happened in less than 3 months? With B? Oh yeah, burnout. Okay, and that's the thing. I was making my first, I don't know, 2 to 3K per month hustle and grinding, with my services. And then when I tried to scale, it was like, okay, I have to work more. And I thought, okay, if I'm working 16 hours a day, I will make more money. But this is not sustainable. So that's why today I want to talk about mindset. Mindset to scale. Because I want to stop this thought of hustle and grind and no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. And I want to change that, no pain, no gain, and be no brain, no gain. Yeah? Who likes this more? No brain, no gain. Right? Why working harder? I don't want to work harder. Está húmedo. I don't want to work harder. I want to work. Smarter. Okay, this is too humid. But you got it. No working harder, I want to work smarter. So then is when I started with the leverage of funnels and systems. And I realized that people who were making much more money than me had more freedom, better lifestyle. Because what's your why? I want to know. I'm interested before moving forward. What's your why? Why do you want to scale your business to 250K a year? This is the promise of the workshop today. You will see in real numbers, you can use the calculator. We will map a year and a business model so you can make 250. Why do you want to have 250K or more per year? What's your why?
It came down to really showing my son that you can accomplish anything that you really put your mind to, right? Say, because I spent 12 years in oil and gas as a field engineer, and actually it was 2 years ago that I spent 84 days, 12-hour days, out in North Dakota, minus 20, minus 30 degrees. So I was already away from my family, my friends. So it's really showing that you can really do whatever you put your mind in. It does take a lot of effort and growth and like it's the process, but if you do it, you can accomplish it pretty much. So that's my biggest why.
My biggest why, I'm a very giving person and I like to help people. I'm happy when I see other people succeed. So I think when we scale and we can help more people to grow their business, that makes me happy. And of course, my other why is my family too, to show them that it's possible and to help them have more experiences together with Eduardo and family. So that as well.
Why is to live the most extraordinary human experience
Woo.
possible.
Love it. Buenísimo, Maribel.
And that includes us, I think as human beings, we go through our journey, our pain, our growth, our trauma. And then what I'm discovering now where I am is really authentically healing and filling those parts of me that were empty and just being beyond living what I never thought was possible. And it's beyond my wildest dreams. And what I'm discovering comes after that, once we're personally fulfilled and full, there's this natural wanting of like giving to others and wanting to be our best contribution for our families, our friends, our communities. And that's part of living the most extraordinary human experience possible. So that's my why.
Awesome. Beautiful.
My why is being financially able to help my family.
Mm.
Yeah, that's. And then I love people, so then I can give even more to my
Mhm.
friends and everybody.
Yeah, I think my why is when you take away when you understand the relationship between the individual and the collective, and you have gone through trauma and healed yourself, you can help others heal. And when you're helping others heal, you're continuing to heal yourself.
Mhm.
So it's this symbiosis that really drives the
Beautiful.
collective.
When you teach, you get to learn it twice.
Yes.
they say.
My why would be to be part of a service, and I think now in this new age, as Alan was calling it, there's a lot of light workers, and I think that if we unite forces, we're going to be able to reach out more people
Mhm.
and help people get out of suffering. So my biggest why would be put my grain of sand to help people out of suffering.
Beautiful.
My why is to use money as a beautiful tool
Yeah.
that it is
Yeah.
to create abundance for, myself and surroundings as much as possible.
Awesome, Andres. Your why?
My why is I just got a lot of kick from how everyone in my life, everyone in my community achieved their wildest dream, and I'm really aligned that as who I am and my purpose that the universe created me for.
Wow. Beautiful. Okay. My why I'm here is because I realized that after chasing money for a lot of time, I'm focusing on money. I realized that at a certain point, I love people more than money, much more than money. You know, I was raised thinking that teaming up, at school when you are in an exam and you have to do the exam on your own, and if you are talking to somebody, you are cheating. If you are asking for help, you are cheating. If you are doing this, it's bad, right? It's like you have to do everything on your own. And I was taught to do everything on my own, right? Alone. This is why I started this business model of one-on-one consults and be myself, the nutritionist, doing everything one-on-one, doing my marketing, doing everything and not asking for help. And I thought, okay, then I need more money, right? I need more money to hire people, but I will have to do it on my own, so I have to learn everything, and I had to learn funnels, and I had to learn Facebook ads, and I had to learn all these business models, and I had to learn a lot of things that I thought I have to learn because I gotta do it alone, right? And I realized that I love people, groups, community. When I realized that for me, relationships are the source of the worst memories of my life and the best memories of my life. Who agrees with that? Relationships. It boils down to relationships. And I realized that I want to gather people around. I love the idea of having 10,000 digital nomads, 10,000 in 3 years, in 2023, by the end of 2023. 10,000. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, we are starting. And it's going to be 10,000 by 2023. And I'm going to explain to you how am I going to do it and how I plan to scale so that you can use as well that for your businesses. Sounds good? Okay, cool. So this is for me my why. I want to see that other people can create this, can come here, people willing to speak, people willing to share their knowledge, people willing to, boom, share the neuro hacks, okay, with the community, and be like coming here and having the ability, the wealth, the team, the support, the community to come here and spread the knowledge that you have, okay, because the marketing is in place, okay? So this is just a means, is a vehicle for your dream to come true. This is not the end goal. This is just a vehicle. Your why, that's the end goal. That's the thing we want to chase, okay?